Interviewing CTU students. Love versus infatuation.
Love is kind of you give everything to that person without expecting any return, right? That's love. That's what we call love. When you love unconditional. Infatuation is when you're expecting something in return. For example, you only love or you only like that certain person if she or he also likes you. That's what my understanding about infatuation.
So, for you, sir, what is love and infatuation?
So, one, love, infatuation. So, infatuation kay for me, content hindi ako siya sa love, although dili siya one permanent sa temporary type of love. We have different kinds of love kay diba na may kuhan ka ng true love or ka ng, for example, you're committed to someone na which means one ang matawag og true love, then ang infatuation hindi ka ng temporary feelings like kanang nagkasabay ra mo sa nagkasabay ra mo sa jeep lang butuhan niya tawan na, so kanang feel ko love na, although it is the content is love, mawa ra gyud ko.
For me, kanang ang love is different from infatuation. Kay ang love is kanang feeling mo towards someone nga naay commitment and kanang ganana jud ka mo live up with him or her. Yeah. Whereas ang infatuation is kanang feeling ra gyud mo nagka-crush ra ka or something like murag na kay gihangaan niya nga murag kanang characteristics or kanang let's say murag outer appearance niya nga murag ganahan kay kaniya yan. Unlike sa love ka kanang feeling gid nimo nga ganahan na jud ka nga murag